Dr. T Amale. Bato ya Cindy ne Shiba oli ku side ki?
I don't trust anybody.
Ate lwaki?
In my life because Mbazira Tony yafunye accident.
Kituufu.
Ne mukyala we. Ayina mugo mukyala we.
Kale ne mukyala.
Mubagenza okumulaba mu ddwaliro. Embizi yamulabyeko. Si ye mukwano gwasinga.
Ate embizi gyali mukwano.
You must know a person can you live in a very dark time. Waliwo embizi yagenza okulaba ku gundi. Basuna bene ne gundi tutasibe bagenze. Secondly, Shiba cannot be better than Cindy. Kubanga first of all, Cindy Mugisu is a king without balls. Chitegeza bamusala embalu. A difference esooka. Era bosoma akatabo kange embugo z'abayimbi kakulaga. Embugo z'abayimbi kakulaga. Nti Cindy ayina embugo. Shiba ayina warehouse. Because we can categorize who has what. Chosen Beke ayina susu. Sheira Gashumba ayina dodo. Kaleka Sita ayina jobyo. Juliana Kajomozi ye ayina chi ayina bitundu. You must say and you must know. Tugamba nti this will call out media activations where we'll go out and get clips of the people on the streets, offices, places of workshops and others. This will be sound carried out. The sound will be black and the videos. We'll carry out East African tours in order to benchmark the peak lessons from neighboring countries. We shall pick lessons from how these countries have been successful in promoting the Swahili and also policies that can be borrowed in Uganda, that harness and drive the adoption of the Swahili as a language in the country. We believe that after the activity, we shall have created awareness about the importance of Kiswahili language in Uganda. We need to have a language spoken in the country since the younger generation is the future. We believe we will have influenced this generation to embrace regional integration as the expert. Anti mbagamba nti bwogamba nti tuli abisiyaga nga muli enkoko n'amajigazo. Ejjiri yitawa. Ask yourself, ejjiri yitawa. Nabagamba nti if a person says nti Shiba is a Nokia, nti Cindy nabagamba nti yes gundi iPhone atenze nayo Samusanga bagita Tiana Bucks. Moma nabaleeta obukazi obukadde obuwalabu ba Mick Sims tufane ne muleeta obukazi obwakulu kano obukadde obwafumbirwa edda abasajja abajanja weed. You bring them oyo Mick yaleese omukazi wano oyo omukazi wa Mick yali mu Bin Laden intapegera kumukwata Daily Uganda yaleese muko omusajja bamuyitanga Chemical Ali bali bayekera batega bomu nze nkimanyi Natiana Bucks by Uganda sell Uganda. It means that the battle between Cindy and Shiba tebatawana balete buli omwe akole group ezi the first group Cindy aderi ne Kalole Kasita ne Winnie Nwaji ne gundi adde wano and Shiba ne Spicy Diana bekunamire asingo kuna magututwala omusazi w'empaka ye Tiana Bucks kubanga Tiana yes mbabulira nze Dr. T Amale if I want to choose a woman sironda mukazi yazaala ko nga mukadde. I chose ladies which are virgin. Tiana Bucks is a virgin, is a Samsung. Mumuli color box injerere.